So welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we are going to start our topic named as social engineering. So what is social engineering? Social engineering is all about making people fool. Now you have learned so many techniques in our past videos, that how to generate Ramcos files, how to bind it with PDF, how to create silent exploits, and etc. But now you also need to learn how you send these things to people, how they will trust your files more, how you'll be able to make them fool, and they'll think that what you're sending is the real stuff and they'll accept it. So there are multiple ways to do that. We'll be covering 3 videos of social engineering in which we'll cover different scenarios to send your stuff to people so that they'll trust. So first of all, I'm showing you is the phishing emails, like this way. Like I have received an email by the VMware that a new version of VMware is launched to 12.5 and you can upgrade now and download now. They have given 2 buttons. And even I can go down and there is also the upgrade now and download now button. So now if I download it, if I click on the upgrade now or download now, I'll get a file will start downloading. Like click on download now and you'll see the WinRAR starts downloading. Now why WinRAR is actually downloading? Because it's a fake VMware email. You can change the links behind it. And we should serve this file with the name of vmware.exe, and you can also write down that maybe today we have a 10th anniversary of VMware and you'll get free license key. You can also put even the license key down there in the email. So once they install it, they double click on your file, the Ramcos will be executed and you'll get the complete computer control. One of the way of social engineering. Now how you change it, how you change the links and how you link your own files. So first of all, we have a file like we generated from a Ramcos, then we used a cryptor and we encrypted our file. It's FUD now. So now what I'll do is I'll go to my cPanel, which you remember I shown you last time in the Q hoster. We have created it. You can upload the files. Update.exe. And our website name is centricgold.com. Go back up, it's capital U, so the name is centricgold.com. Now you just have to forward what would be the link. Now centricgold.com/ update.exe, whatever file you have uploaded. So this is the link. You can also add HTTP over it. So copy and I will forward it. So once you forward, you just have to click on the download now and it shows you the link. You click the change, delete the link and paste the new one. Okay. Click on download now, change the link and paste the new one. Okay, that's it. Now you can send to yourself maybe to test it. So if I go to my inbox and I open the email, this is how the email will look like to me. But if I click on download now, I'll be served as the update.exe. Can you see? This is the one. And now if I go to my downloads folder, I have the update which we have downloaded from the Centric Gold. And if we double click on the file, the victim control will go on to the attacker's VPS. So this is one of the way you have seen how you can upload the files first of all on your cPanel, and then you can link the files in a phishing email, and that email you have to serve to your victim. Now as the email will look so fine, like if you see so much good graphics, good text, it's been used there, as much the victim will trust over it. So you have to see about your vocabulary, your pictures, so as good you'll demonstrate, as best you'll see the results by the victims. Now there is one more way you can use to send it. Send it is I will right click this file, add to archive. I'll choose at zip. Make sure that you are using WinRAR 4, not WinRAR 5, and OK. Now it's a zip file. Sometimes sending as a exe doesn't look good, so you can send it as a zip. But if someone double click, they can still see that it's a exe file inside it. Not a problem. What you just have to do is you have to install a software HXD, Hex Editor, which will be there in your toolkit even, and drag and drop this zip file. We go to in the very last. And here you see it's written update.exe, and I make it update.pdf. That's it. Save it and close. Now this only shows PDF, but it have not changed its name to PDF, just to make it look like PDF. Now if I take it to somewhere else, because here is already the file is there, maybe I take it to music, I paste. Now if you serve it this zip file, and if you extract it, and you'll see the exe file is out, and if they run, and you'll get the session back. So we can also make it fool to people by showing as a PDF, but once they extract, they'll get back the real exe. And what you just have to do is you can upload this zip file, and in the email you have to give the link as update.zip once you upload it, and in the Chrome even you have to change the link as update.zip. So once they double click, they'll be downloading a zip file, and once they open the zip, they'll just see PDF, but if they double click, exe will run. Simple. There is one more way. So if you see how you can serve your exe files to people by making them full, I'll also show you one more way. Like there is a very famous website to download softwares like filehippo.com. Millions of people download the softwares daily from them, and if you see, they have every type of softwares, popular antivirus, uTorrent, WinRAR, VLC, hundreds of softwares they have which you can download, and if you see number of downloads are served. So what you can do is you can make such type of a phishing websites where you can make a free software download website, and every software would be infected with a Trojan. If people will download from you, automatically you will get thousands of victims get back to you daily. There are also a lot of torrent websites basically from where people try to download free softwares from the torrents. You could also, and torrents are free, where you can upload the softwares. There as well you can make the software infected and you can upload there, and anyone downloads the torrents, you'll get automatically the victims. You do not need to collect their emails, send emails to them, put them into the trap. People will automatically download your files and automatically come back to you. No need to do any hassle. So this is one of the example of the social engineering. In other two videos, I'll show you more tricks to serve your files more better to the people so that they'll accept it happily and you'll get more results. I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.